Hi, welcome back. We start to the next house. Today we want to make here that house. That is that here. This the down etage. And that is the entrance there on the top wall. Good, we start. So add mesh cube, scale down, scale set. It should be 3 stages. So edit mode, Control R, roll the middle mouse button, 2 loops in, so we have 3 stages now. So we color that again like ever, only to see better where we are. Good. It is a longer house, so that means we have to scale Y. Then this roof is a little bit special. It goes straight up at the front and back, and then it goes more to the other two. That means we take here both edges and extrude them to the X. Then we scale Y, and then we can take one and extrude them to the middle, and then we close that with the other one. F to close. That is the roof. Good. We close the faces here on left and right side, and I want to give them red color to see the difference. Good. File, save. Then here at the down part we see this round door and a normal door, so we have to cut them in. And I think all in all it can be a little bit brighter, so scale X. Good. Then we need that here. That means add mesh cylinder. We take (24), rotate X 90 degrees, then edit mode, we tap. Then we take word selection with background selection, border selection, and delete the down part, so that is left. Then we close that with F, that with F2, and then we take the complete down part and extrude them longer, so that should be the door that we cut into there. We close that down with F, and that was the first one. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger in scale X, such like that. Then we need a normal door hole there, so add mesh cube. Add mesh cube, scale down. Should be some like there. And there is a minimum of them, so scale X. And it goes to the start of the roundness. That means we take here the top face and bring it there. That should be it. Maybe a little bit higher, such like that. Good, we have them both, scale X, scale Y here. Jumped. So I take them both, join them together as one, set the origin to geometry, and say object apply rotation scale. Good. We bring that in front, we scale them down, bring into, down, so think that can nearly be good. It is into, but before the house itself we must object apply the rotation scale. File, save. Then we click themselves, name is cylinder, we go to the house, modifier, take a boolean, say here cylinder, and should be the difference apply. Doors are cut in. Good. So we have done the first one, file, save. Now we see here double windows with a small window on the side, but here they on the second stage have a window 2 on the top there. So we start with them here. Add mesh cube, scale X, scale on the whole, scale X. I think that are brighter than, yeah. Shift D, place one there, and Shift D a smaller one, scale X. Should be there. Good, that was it. We join them together as one. Object, apply rotation scale, and bring it to position. So that is too big, so we scale them down. That can be enough, I think, but a little bit too long for me, so scale set. Yeah, that can work. Good. We have to apply that again, all the house too, and then again the name is cube 1. We go to house, boolean, cube 1, difference apply. So we have done that. We take the same one, Shift D, make it duplicate. Then we take Shift D, the whole stuff again, and scale set. That should be that double windows there on the top. And that is what we have to cut in here. Go a little bit deeper there. Good. We give them other color, this red color. And again, apply all. Name is cube 2. Good. That is done too. File, save as. I called it metal roof house, so because it has a metal roof, like we see here. Good. Then only on the back side we must make a door on the top stage, that is that here. And then all holes are done. So we simply take that here, Shift D, but we delete here this cube, we don't need them. we only need that. So we bring that till the top stage of the house. There. We give them another color. So, and we make them larger. So like that. Then object apply the rotation scale of this cutter object, and from the house itself apply 2. The name is cylinder 1. So we take the house modifier boolean cylinder 1 and say operation should be the difference between this object and this object. Apply. Done. Good. File, save. As we see, we need here this window stuff from our first house that we built it ever. There we can copy them. The same is with the little roof tile there, and with the water sink that brings the water down. So that is from our project, the first house that we ever met, that was that here. So we take here these stone things, then bring that to the side. Then we need here this water sink pipe there, that, and here from the roof this part here. So we can P separate the selection, and then we have that singular, and delete one of them because we only need one, not 2. So with background selection, word selection, and B border selection, we can delete here that. Good. So that is all that we need. So we can take them with us. Control C to copy from this project, go to our new project, metal roof house, and Control V to plug in. And here they are, and we can use them now here easily. Good. On both sides there's this water sheet there, and then this little roof tiles there. Okay, file, save. I start with the roof. Set the origin to geometry. Make them bigger. And place them so that we can let them look out a little. Like that. And that's it. Then Shift D and rotate set 180 degrees. Then it should be turned. And we have them on this side too. File, file, save. So then the water candle there. We bring them here on the front. We make Shift D a copy of that because we need them for the other side too. We see that is too long, so we bring them here to fit with. Here, there, we don't need this last both, so we can delete them and then close up here the last parts of them. here too. F to close. Good. Then we get this part here, Shift D, the pipe itself. And bring them near to and into. Think can be a little bit bigger. I think all can be a little bit bigger. So scale. I think that is more the size that we need for that. A little bit bigger maybe. Good. We'll let that like it is. So that here we must make longer. So we take here the bottom part and simply bring them to the bottom. Then we take one of the rings and Shift D, double them and bring them in the middle. That's good. Then here we have to do again the end near and delete here these round parts that are not needed. Good. What is that? Wow. Okay, here was marked 2. That is bad for us, so we bring them here. Okay. Then we take both. Shift D, bring them to the other side, the back side, background, back. Yeah, to the back. So here we only bring that till the other side. And that was that. Good. Done that. The little rings are missing, so here we have them. Shift D2 and bring them to there. Good. I've done that too. File, save. Then next part. Each window have this stone stuff there, so Shift D, place them on each window there. Start there. Scale a little. Yes, bring as deep in as you can. Then Shift D, Shift D, Shift D, but rotate, rotate set, and bring them on to Shift D, and again. Same we do with the top part, but there it must be a little bit longer. You see that? So we simply scale them up a little. That's good. Then Shift D, place them all over there. And take them, Shift D, scale up. Shift D there. And last time there. Good. File, save. Don't know, it is here too. this normal stone stuff, but it every time looks better when you have such. We will see later. File, save. So we need here windows here. So I take here these windows and bring them more to the front. Then take them both, go here to individual origins, so each one has his own origin. Extrude scale so I can handle two windows at the same time. Scale set. Then extrude, bring them back. Then loop 2 times scale set. Here I must go back now to median point, scale set. Then here 2 loops in the vertical, scale X. First window down, here the same, Control R, make loops in, roll the middle mouse, left click to accept, scale X. Same in the horizontal, 2 loops, Control Z, and window done. At least and last, we can take here this class stuff and extrude them to the Y. That is the window. Yeah. The same we have to do with all this other stuff there. So that means that little small thing here. Extrude scale. Scale set. Here we don't need individual origins because it's only one. It's logical. So we have that, then bring them deeper, and this window is also done. Oh, some left. Here we can do it with individual, extrude scale. I think that is good. Wow. Must bring that more in front. That is too deep. So there. That is maybe good. Then we take the inner parts where the class comes, extrude and bring them back. Nothing more needed. Here we bring that also more in front. Then extrude scale. Oop, that was wrong. Bring it in front. Extrude scale and extrude to the Y. This both same like the other with extrude scale, extrude to the back, get there the loops in, get back to median point. Yeah. Sure, you can make your some sample windows that you use then every time. That goes faster. But so you have a little different style each time, and that makes it look a little bit more nature as when that all be the same. Extrude, bring them back. Control plus, so we can go selecting in loops forward, then we can bring them near to. goes back into extrude scale. Good. So we'll add that all like this now. File, save. We need here stone overall at the top, at the down, and here in the middle. So we take that stone material, shift, take here this part, shift D, bring them there, P to separate the selection out as a singular stone. And now we can make them bigger. So we take that and bring that here. I set the origin to the geometry, so I see directly the axis. Scale set a little bit smaller. Think that can work. We see it is stretched, so we have to new unwrap them. I take Smart UV project. I scale it a little set. So then Shift D, place them there, scale set. Good. Then take that here, Shift D, and place them there. Then Shift D, place here one, make it only shorter. Good. Then Shift D, place them down there too. And then here Shift D, we need a smaller one, so scale set. And Shift D, place one down under there, so scale X. And that can be look a little out. And Shift D, place them down there too. And same we do on the other side. So Shift D, scale set, and bring a little out. Shift D, place down under there too. Good. That was it for this time. I'll say not complete, but we are on the way. So we need here roof material plus we look if we have some. Here's little roof. So that means we can take here this part and that part, look from the front, view, unwrap from view, roof sign that we have. Then we take them and them, view from view, roof sign. Good. Yeah, that I thought. So we have to do it here other way. We make it view from the top, and then we can take here the node editor, bring them up, bring that to the side, take here the UV image editor and rotate set 90 degrees. Then we have it there correctly, only the size must be scaled. So I make it here better from view to view, from view, rotate set -90. Good, so the roof there is done. File, save as, new version number. It's the number 3 in my case. Good, so what we also need is the windows are brown. Okay, brown wood and glass we need. So take plus, make a new material, and look what we got. There is glass, and we see it in preview. There's glass material, so we can give that to our glass stuff there. Wow. So get that. Class assign. Then we need this wooden stuff. So we have no wood. That means we take the roof material complete. Control C to copy. A to select all, Control C to copy. So, okay. Then go here, make a new material, new, call it wood. And delete here all, pressing X. Then Control V to plug in the nodes from the other material. But here we take now a new texture. So open up the folder, our texture folder. And search here for wood. Here we have wood. Maybe we take that, and then we bring them here onto our windows. So, wow. Best way is we go from here with Control minus or plus. I must search. No, we make it simple. We take here border selection with background selection and mark here all faces. Then we disable what we don't need, so the rest is the wood stuff. Without that, you have many work, and so it goes faster. So we give them wood material and UV smart UV project. Yeah, and they are wood, so should be file save. The same with this windows here. So we take here the whole back part and then disable what we don't want to texture with wood. Must look at the back side, because when you mark with background, the background selected with. So wood assign and the smart UV project. Good. The windows have this color. That is all good. File save. Now comes the stone material. That we can close. St.Michell, I must look what we got there for stone materials texture. That isn't it. More like that. like that. But on the crate plane, you see the redoing on each tile. That isn't good. So I think we take the same as ever. This one. But before I look in my folder where I have all the textures, and look, maybe we got another good texture that we haven't used before. You can get them on textures.com. I say that often, but you should know that. It's this one for a house. And let's look again how the original looks. No, that are the little stones. Okay, all clear. So we can take here plus and search for stone, but there's no wall material, so make new one, call it wall, delete here all nodes with X, then Control V, plug the nodes in from the other one, and the folder we search the new material that we want to use. That is that here. Good. We now mark this, the front, and on the back. That, and that. Then we look from the front. You unwrap from view and say wall side. And there we have it. Good. And the same we make here with the side. You unwrap from view, wall side. So that is good. File save. Now only need here some stuff into, and here had to be stone 2. So look from the side, view from view, and wall sign, and scale up that it fits with the other size of these stones. Good. Here the same. Look from there. Good. Here from the top. But I think there comes beton later. But we will see. Good. All what we don't need, we bring now till the second layer. So M to move. Click on second layer. Then we have here more place. And it's more clean, and we know how many words we have without the rest there. So here we need a picture of a shop or such, like a shop. So we go to our texture folder, but before we give them here the house. So plus new material and call it shop. I think it's more a bar or such, but X, delete here all, Control V, plug that in, and search in the texture folder for a shop. I think we can take that. So we take here the front parts here, and UV project from view, and give them this shop sign. We should grab it and maybe scale it. No, better let it like is. Good. So we have that. When you render that now, that will be too dark. So we have to delete the principal shader and give here an emission shader. So shader, emission, and plug them onto the surface. We delete the multiply that we don't need. Good. All done here. File, save. At the back, there is a huge class door. So I look in my door folder if I have such. Don't know it, but maybe we have some. Or we take a window and make it to yeah. I think that can work. That one, and that will make to a door when we make it longer. Yes, that we make. So we copy that and bring it to our texture folder from St.Michell and plug it there, paste. So there. Hope it is in there. I don't see them, but it is in there. This is a PNG, okay, but eagle. So we take now the face here, unwrap from view, plus new material, call it door 2, and delete here all the stuff, and Control V, plug that in, and we take the new door. This we don't need. But where's the door? There. So sign, and then we simply scale them up and grab them till position. Scale X a little, grab Z a little, so that is then the entrance to the shop there. We give here, oh, without. That's it. That was this house. You can make here stone around if you want to. It looks better, but I don't do. We have so much houses to do, so we can't do each one like that. The only thing I see here is this sun carpet there, sun marquees. So we make them fast. Scale Y, bring them out, rotate, and that is the marquees there. Give them the red stuff, and it's done. But this red one should have a roughness so that looks a little bit more interesting. Good. File, save. That was it for this time. We see us in the next tutorial. Thanks a lot. Bye.